Alright guys, so we're going to be changing the switch. Always check your switch, make sure it clicks. Alright, so what we're going to do, we have 2 Phillips right there. I like to loosen them and then remove them by finger. Alright guys, so little trick here. Whenever you undo your switch, okay, always leave it plugged in. Never unplug it first, because as soon as you take those screws out, it's going to fall down, and then you're going to have something dangling. It might get caught between the drum. Then you have to take the front off, and you don't want to do all that. So, alright. Now you have it in here, totally safe, it's not going to fall. Wrong way, guys. Okay. Also, do not slam your dryer door. It literally kills those. So that's how you do the bypass, and that's how you replace the switch. Then plug back in. We should have lights now. Because we're all done up top. You just close it. Done. Don't forget your 2 Phillips screws. Are you spraying the cat?
No, just spraying him to see if he's thirsty.
No, he thinks you're going to spray him. See, we have lights. The light is back. And of course, that switch turns it off. And when the light goes off, it completes the circuit for the drum to turn. So now, if we press start, we're going to press the switch and press start. Everything is working. Alright guys, That's it. Thanks for watching.